Put a socket on there. What kind of socket's on this, Steve?
It's a 21 millimeter.
Yeah.
We got this gauge tool that we got.
Yep.
And it comes with a bolt, and I guess it does some different tools. So I just stick it on there, and then we're gonna roll this thing, and we're gonna try and get the belt to start walking off of the thing. If it comes around, we'll put it back on again.
That worked like a charm.
Well, we bought the belt for it.
You got it, Brian?
No, he doesn't have it.
No.
You know why he doesn't have it? Because he doesn't have the tool on.
Yeah,
That's why he doesn't have it. Okay?
See, if I didn't do what I did, it wouldn't have done what it just did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever. Okay, so we get the belt off.
You might need a tool for the tool.
When we do put it on, we're gonna basically
Why
do
I wanna
the
take
same
belt
thing.
off?
So,
Oh, Steve, you want the belt off or not?